In this video, I'm going to give you a homemade fertilizer recipe that's going to make your yard the greenest yard in the neighborhood. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll put a link in the description below on all the stuff that I use that you can get off Amazon. But one thing's for certain, you want liquid dish soap. You do not want dish detergent. It's two different things. And you want a clear liquid dish soap. Don't get a tinted or scented one. And you're going to use half a cup of this for 20 gallons of water. The ingredient we're going to use is light corn syrup. Make sure it's light corn syrup and that it's clear and not tinted. Do not use dark. Some of this stuff can be substituted, but some of this stuff can't. Plain old light corn syrup, and we're going to use half a cup of that for 20 gallons of water. The ingredient we're going to use is a liquid feed fertilizer. We're going to use half a cup of this for the 20 gallons of water. But now we're going to add just some clear ammonia, and once again make sure it's clear, it's not lemon scented, it's not tinted, just plain clear ammonia, and we're going to add 1 cup. Now the last ingredient, I might get some comments down below on why I wasted a can of beer, but you're going to want 1 can of beer for the 20 gallons. Just 16 ounces. This is a rather large one. I'm probably going to have to fill this up twice for my yard. That's why I got the larger one. But you only need 16 ounces of beer, and that's going to complete the recipe. I left one part of my grass untreated so you guys can tell the difference after 48 hours. This side over here was treated with the homemade tonic. This side over here was untreated. I came down over here on the edge of the yard, sprayed it nice and low and all the way down, and you can really tell the difference. Now another great benefit to this homemade fertilizer, you can get it on your roses, your flowers, your shrubs, your tomato plants, your garden. It's not going to harm anything, unlike a lot of the chemical stuff you buy at the big box store. Now you can brag to your friends and relatives that you make your own homemade fertilizer, and that's why your grass is so green. Give it about 48 hours and you're going to be able to tell the difference. Hopefully this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.